Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your MacBook Pro actually has Touch ID and is running a current Mac OS release. Open System Settings now, update if needed, because firmware fixes improve fingerprint accuracy. Make sure you are logged into an administrator account and know your Apple ID password, since the system may request verification. Once done, position your finger naturally on the Touch ID sensor. Don't press too hard, because consistent pressure and positioning teach the sensor how you actually touch it. Next, you'll add a fingerprint using System Settings, Touch ID, and Password. Click Add Fingerprint and follow the on-screen prompts. Lift and rest your finger several times, rotating slightly to capture edges and different contact points. This variety reduces false rejects later. Name the new fingerprint so you can manage it, and enable the uses you want, unlock, Apple Pay, and autofill passwords, because granular choices help security and convenience. Make sure to enroll both thumbs or a secondary finger for backup. Finally, test each enabled feature. Lock the Mac and unlock with your enrolled finger, try Apple Pay if enabled, and confirm password autofill works. If the sensor struggles, clean the sensor and your finger, then re-enroll the finger at varied angles, because oils and position often cause errors. If problems persist, restart and, as a last resort, reset SMC/NVRAM to clear hardware state. Make sure to remove unused fingerprints and disable Touch ID if the device is lost or accessed by others.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.